Everyone's talking about how AI is taking over tech jobs, and they're not wrong. Developers, support staff, even DevOps engineers are seeing big changes. But there is a flip side that no one's talking about. In this video, I'll show you which cloud jobs will actually survive through 25 and 26, and why this AI boom is leading to a net increase in cloud hiring. I'm Neil Davis, the founder of Digital Cloud Training, and I've worked in the tech industry for over 25 years, and I've trained over 1 million students worldwide through our various programs. We're at a turning point, and I want to show you why the future of cloud is actually growing. It's not shrinking, it's actually growing faster than ever before. And the key is to focus on the right roles. AI is replacing some roles. Junior developers are being replaced by code generation tools. Manual testers, level 1 support, basic report building, all facing automation and replacement through artificial intelligence. Even DevOps workflows are now being handled by AI agents. A report from McKinsey says up to 30% of current tasks in IT and software will be automated by 2026. But here's what most people are actually missing. The number of companies moving to the cloud is actually exploding. AI applications run on cloud infrastructure. The more AI we use, the more cloud computing capacity is required, and that means more cloud jobs, not less. AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform are all growing even during economic slowdowns. In fact, IDC predicts that global cloud spending will double by 2027, reaching over $1.5 trillion. And Gartner actually projects that here in 2025, enterprise IT spending on public cloud services is going to surpass spending on traditional on-premises IT infrastructure for the first time ever. And that's being driven by demand for scalability, agility, and new technologies like AI and machine learning. Nearly every new AI service that you can think of runs on the cloud. ChatGPT running on Microsoft Azure. We've got LLM agents running on cloud infrastructure. We have Claude running on AWS. So the cloud is really the underlying infrastructure layer for most of the AI applications and services that we're using today. And this growth in cloud and AI means that companies are going to need cloud experts to migrate their legacy systems. They're going to need cloud engineers to build modern applications in the cloud. They're going to need cloud architects to design their scalable, secure, resilient, and performant solutions. And they're going to need AI ML engineers to deploy intelligent systems. Now, I'm going to break down the 3 job roles with the strongest future in 2026 and beyond. Firstly, cloud engineers. Cloud engineers are really the hands-on builders. They set up the cloud infrastructure. They work with services on AWS, for example, like VPC and EC2 and S3 and IAM and database services. They automate using tools like Terraform and CloudFormation and CI/CD pipelines. They monitor applications. They optimize costs. They manage scaling. They support the app teams and the AI workloads as well. This role is not just going to survive, it's going to thrive because businesses are going to need more and more people who can build and maintain all this cloud infrastructure. The next role is cloud architects. So cloud architects are solutions architects focused on the cloud. This is normally a more senior role. These are more strategic thinkers. They're designing complex systems for scalability, for security, for performance, and for cost optimization. They need to align the technology solutions with the business goals and choose the right services, regions, the design patterns to use for particular use cases. The thing I really like about this role is it has a lot of interpersonal communication. You're working with different stakeholders around the business, and that really is a bit of a moat protecting you from some of the effects of automation and AI replacing some job roles. So cloud architects definitely are going to be around for a long time. Then we have cloud AI ML engineers. So these are cloud engineers who are focused more on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So they're deploying Gen AI, they're using machine learning models, they're using SageMaker and Bedrock and LangChain and tools like that. They're creating pipelines for training and inference and fine-tuning models with company data. This role is all about integrating intelligence into applications using artificial intelligence and machine learning. So it's kind of a cross between a cloud engineer and then an AI ML expert, doing some of the build, doing some of the integration work, and also some of the management and operations as well. Demand for cloud AI ML engineers is growing very fast. Of course, everyone really should have some skills in AI today. And that is one of the winning combinations that I'm going to recommend for everybody who works in the cloud. That is, make sure that you have some AI and machine learning skills on top of the skills that you need to perform your particular role. So if you're a cloud architect, you still need AI ML skills. If you're a cloud engineer, still start learning AI and machine learning. It's going to really help you in your career. It's really the only way you can differentiate yourself at this stage. So even if you're not an AI specialist, learning AI will make you a better cloud professional. So for example, a cloud engineer who can set up a vector database, call an LLM API and build Gen AI applications is more valuable than somebody who can't. So that's why we teach AI skills across all cloud roles in our training programs. So how can you get ready for 2026? Well, at Digital Cloud Training, we have a program called the Cloud Mastery Bootcamp, and we prepare you for these roles, for cloud engineering roles, for solutions architecture roles. Specifically, if you're going into artificial intelligence, machine learning, we have pathways for you. We also have security and professional architect pathways as well for those who are more experienced. In our bootcamp programs, you get to work with instructors, including myself and my team of experts, all with many years of experience. And you'll learn the fundamentals right from the very beginning, even if you're a total beginner. Compute, Linux, Terraform. We learn a bit of Python. And then we teach you some specific skills in AWS aligned to whichever job role you want to go into. Our competency building framework is the methodology that we use, and that integrates scenario-based learning, challenge-based assessments, and projects and capstone work. So you get lots and lots of hands-on experience, really building a real-world skill set. Our students also get access to something called our Tech Career Accelerator program, where you build out your portfolio of project work. We make sure you stand out with a great resume, an online brand, prepare you for interviews, and help you to skip these search queues, so getting in front of employers directly so that you can position yourself and be in the best position to take those high-paid jobs in this industry. The question today is not, will AI kill cloud jobs? It's about making sure that you're learning the right cloud skills. So you want to ask yourself, do I have skills that differentiate me in the job market today? Do I have the skills that are in the most demand? Cloud engineers, cloud architects, and cloud AI ML engineers will definitely thrive in the future if they have the right skills. If you're interested in working with me and my team, please check out the link to our Cloud Mastery Bootcamp in the description of this video. And if you got value out of this, please like and subscribe to our channel.